In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import data from ChatGPT into Claude. So what I would do is open up ChatGPT, create a new chat, and then paste in something along these lines. Create a data packet that includes everything you know about me that I can give context to Claude. Then go ahead and send that prompt. ChatGPT is then going to write out all of the data that it has about you in a very simple and easy to understand way, which we can go ahead and copy. So go ahead and copy all of this data that you need to put into Claude. Once you've got it copied, you can then head over to Claude. Here in Claude, go to your profile icon in the bottom left-hand corner. Then go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, what personal preferences should Claude consider in responses? You can go ahead and paste this all into this box. Now once you've done that, you can go ahead and save changes. And now you've provided Claude with all of the general info about yourself, which will be used in context when it replies to your prompts.